happy little boy? Yes. Kai got a haircut today. Got his haircut. Yeah. Woo! What's my little man doing? Is that a little ticklish? Is that a little ticklish? Yes. Are you playing? Yes. Oh, is that a serious look on Kai's face? I don't think so. Are you laughing? I'm not even tickling you. Oh, serious boy. Look at those two teeth sticking out. Kai has two big teeth like a little bunny rabbit. Yes. Kai looks like a bunny rabbit. Woo! I'm gonna get you.